about something a little sacred, man. Ain't no other dude out here getting his woman. Mind y'all, this was for Christmas. She came hella late. I ain't worried about it though. Early Valentine's Day gift, you feel me?
You little bitches should subscribe right now. If not, I'm gonna slap your mama.
I just spent $3,200 on some wheels for Outcast, and that's not even the craziest part.
Load the chopper up, hop in the car, I got my alibi. Leave my seat back in case they shooting while I'm passing by. I got a problem if you my brother, nigga, don't ask me why. Me go, I'm taking flight, you see me, I spread my wings and fly. Grand to a brick, my whole life I had dreams with them. We had designer jeans, the robbers with the wings in them. Grab a clean soda, make it dirty and put my lean in them. Where I'm from, you cook up by the stove and then the fiends get them. Me go, I started off in church, made the plug and got some work. Trump just closed the borders up, it's 19 for the shirt. Hey, me go out and make the stretch and make the key hit a gross.
I went ahead and ordered these about a week and a half ago. They came in. Nothing crazy, to be honest. We do got a package coming in on supposedly Monday. That one's gonna be crazy. So this is a third brake light for the regular cab short bed. A little eBay special, but this is just temporarily. So that way we don't have any leaks on the inside. Comes with the gasket and stuff. Then you got your LED resistor. Yeah, these are LEDs, so it's gonna look pretty nice. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. We'll go ahead and get this installed soon. Ordered these. I forgot where we ordered these off of, to be honest with you. These might be another eBay special, not gonna lie. There was definitely a group out there that made some OG billet grill inserts. These are gonna look so good with the wheels we went ahead and picked up. Grill insert looks like it's not bad in my opinion. It's not too bad. I like it. You guys think? You guys a fan? Alright, we got a couple other packages, y'all. These are for the dirt bike over here. The YZ400 project. These are hopefully the things that we need to get it going, get it running. That's what I'm praying for at least. This is the air filter. Okay, it's like just the filter. It's almost like I still need the, damn, I don't know. Next item, this is something we for surely needed. Pre-diluted coolant, Yamaha. So we actually had another package come in. Hellcat hood vent grill pieces. Big something coming. Big something coming. We got one more box too, y'all. This is a package that I also got for the regular cab short bed. Since we already unboxed the other one, I was like, might as well unbox this one too. 9902 TRQ. Let's go ahead and open these Johns up. So if you guys, oh, okay, good thing I know that it didn't come painted black, because now I know I have to paint these. But good to know. This is what they call the turn signal mirrors. It also has the puddle lights down here, something like that. They look really nice. Very happy with it. Quality is very nice. Maracaca.
What is going on, everyone? Thank y'all for tuning in. I'm about to go pick up some packages. I had to take y'all along with us.
So here's the package, y'all. Right here in the flesh. I know y'all see it, but anyways, inside this big box, I gotta show y'all. Y'all gonna have to stay tuned.
My partner on a play to test the bricks, said his nose hurt. We selling dope while in the trap. I'm in the hallway smoking.
I'm waiting for my girl. She's finna show up here soon. We're finna do a little unboxing for y'all. Y'all finna peep what the fuck we got going on, man. We got a big old box for the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT, y'all. What do you guys think is underneath this box right here? Only female drove-in SRT in Colorado with the carbon fiber hood. My lady's out here doing it better than any of them out here. Make sure y'all tune into all her social media platforms. Project Lex 303. She just arrived. What's up, guys? We're inside the box.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I wanted to be in a pallet! I wanted to be in a pallet! That should be the thumbnail if you go like this.
Here it is.
You know we got me. Package extra side. Don't I love my vegetables? Extra cheese and broccoli. Don't young lady like to kick it like karate. Come on. Come on. Gotta know I pop shit money low like Monopoly.
Monopoly. Youngest in my city with a milli, like who topping me. Whole lot of ops done, bullets flying just for dropping 3. I heard he got hit and still survived.
He got the
Should've been
billets.
off. Let me shut up, I'm probation now, but still be making sounds. Ain't no new guys in this bitch who I be with, they chase it down. Free little switch, as soon as he get him a bond, I bet he be out that jam. Broke ass ops gon' be in that bitch for a minute, cause none of them got no paper. How the fuck say later? Sippin' on Trish, my favorite flavor. He the type to speak on my fuck dropping downs, I drop that bag. Every car I had, no, this shit sad, but I damn near crashed. It's alright, like to hang out the window. Look bro, stuck out, he know it's the kick though. Tryna tell twin stop tripping about that bitch, ain't chop out, that shit going. I gave rest to whoever I want, when I got rich, no man, I'm on. Michael ARP tucked in my pants, sometimes this bitch be showing. Ain't go trippin', my whole fuck up, that's on her chance, she blowing. Rich ass nigga when I walk to the corner store, AP on, they don't ID. I know that my ex hoe man got a brand new bitch and I'm in my peak. She don't like when I'm full of these drugs, get active whenever I'm out 15. Might just act the fool, get in that mood, damn near drop my whatever you want. Everything full. You dumb if you think you can duck these bullets. Ay, off-white shoes, I walk around with expensive feet. Feeling go drop 20 on my teeth. It costs to talk to me. It costs to talk to my bitch too. She really don't like me, I know you hoes. Up the blick with ice all on my wrist, watch how the pussy froze. I say fuck them niggas, they wasn't there when I was down bad broke. Tell my day ones, I can't wait till we back outside doing shows. Gotta know I pop shit, money low like Monopoly. Youngest in my city with a milli, like who topping me. Whole lot of ops done, bullets flying just for dropping 3. I heard he got hit and still survived, should've been off. Let me shut up, I'm probation now, but still be making sounds. Ain't no new guys in this bitch who I be with, they chase it down.
Turn my shit back up, fuck it, come on. Yeah, turn my shit back up, nigga. I'm turning back up, nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Amigo. Down, if you ain't know. I'm back outside with this shit. Amigo, I put my boots on the concrete, nigga. Say Migo posted up with kick doors and hang on the back block. I got a crib up in the sky, treated like the trap spot. Say Migo when them packs stop coming in, that's when them racks stop. I'm flexing everything I'm having, we was once the have-nots. With them holes in my shoes, now I make all my tags pop. It's a Tuesday night at X, we throw paper in a strip club. All that time out who getting money, nigga, then put your wrists up. Money talking, if you got it, nigga, then pick my bitch up. Take her out and break her off, she call me when she get done. I come from Texas where that trick and go against the scripture. Me go, I'm bouncing out with trays all in my pictures. Say you ain't never had the white with shoes that had them holes in them. Meet the plug and pop the trunk and put them bows in them. Me go roll the window down, let out the smoke the hoes with them. Say you gotta know the plug just to hit the spot and go get them. Hey, back then I tell my boots to put some dope up in my denim. Me go say what it do, I don't give a fuck how a nigga feelin'. I just crashed my Escalade, might buy a whip without no ceilings. Hit the store and drape my T. Jones and double G linens. Say Migo posted up with kick doors and hang on the back block. I got a crib up in the sky, treated like the trap spot. Say Migo when them packs stop coming in,